In this video, we will see the necessary tools to proceed with this course. All of them will have their respective links below in the description. So the first software is Node.js, of course. You should install the LTS version, which currently is this one. You can do so by clicking this button. If you prefer, as I do, you can use NVM, the Node Version Manager. It allows for different Node.js versions and faster installation. You just need to download this file, nvm setup, and then install it. After that, open up the terminal. In my case, I'm using the Windows terminal, and then write nvm list. And then it will show the currently installed Node.js versions. To install the LTS version, just write nvm install LTS. And to actually use it, you can copy the version and then write nvm use and then the version. About the IDE, I'll use VSCode, which you can download through this button. I'll also use several extensions for it, which will have their names in the description. Of course, if you prefer to use another IDE, feel free to choose whichever you prefer. Also, if you have a GitHub account, you can take advantage of this. As the project will have commits at key points, you can do the same and even publish our project. If you do not have an account yet, just click on the sign up button and follow the instructions. Just a reminder, you also need to install Git in order to be able to actually use its resources. You can do so by clicking this button. Next, I'll also use Insomnia, which is a REST client for testing the routes of our system. I forgot to say, but our backend will be a REST API. Of course, once again, if you prefer another REST client, feel free to go with your preference. Also, a terminal will be necessary to run the commands. I will use Windows Terminal, but if you prefer, you can use any other terminal, or even VS Code's integrated terminal. Now, we'll use Docker to have our database, in our case Postgres. But to install Docker on Windows, we first need to install WSL. Fortunately, it's quite simple. You just need to open a terminal as admin and then run this command. After that, restart your machine and you're ready. After that, you can proceed to install Docker, which you can do by clicking this button. We're nearly at the end. We can also install pgadmin, so that if we want, we can see our database in full detail. We can install it here by downloading the latest version. And the last and most important tool is NestJS itself. To install it, open a terminal as admin and then write npm i-g for install globally, and then add nestjs/cli. Hit enter and the installation will begin. After that, you may need to close and open the terminal again, and then you can check the success of the installation by writing nest-v to check the version. After this process, all the required tools are installed, and we can finally begin the course. So, see you there.